Camera stabilisation is important for clarity in your shots. One such form of stabilisation is a tripod. They come in all sorts of sizes and weights, and it's important when buying or hiring one to choose one that is weight rated for the kit you will be using. Overloading your tripod can lead to locking nut fatigue and eventually malfunction. Tripods allow you certain freedom when shooting, particularly when shooting solo projects such as the piece to camera for news or vlogging content. So how do I set one up? Firstly, check you have all the parts to it. Depending on which model you have, your kit should contain a static plate or fluid head, a camera mounting plate and a 1/4 inch or 3/8 screws, a pan handle or handles, a bowl adapter, tripod legs, platform spreader or leg spreader locks, gripped or flat feet. For assembly, you will require a minimal number of tools. Usually a medium-sized flathead screwdriver or often a 2p piece or a 50p piece coin can work just as well in a pinch. So first, take your tripod out of its bag. If possible, fold it and put it on the floor out of any walkways. Work out how high you need the tripod legs by assessing where and what you are shooting. For example, a good shot for interviewing a person is to position the camera at eye level. Angled shooting, while not intentional, can infer moods into your shot. Place the feet on your shooting surface fitted into the flat feet, or on uneven surfaces use the gripping feet. Put the legs down and widen them into a balanced position. Fit the legs to the feet and secure the rubber grips to the legs. Release the clips or the hand wheels on the sides of the legs and lift to the height you need. Lock them off and do a jiggle test. If it holds up under some pressure, then they are locked off. If not, the bolts on the clamps may need to be tightened. Make sure on your tripod head that any pan or tilt locks are tightened and locked and there is no movement possible. If not, you could find when mounting heavier cameras, the plate will slide and may fall off. Now release the camera mounting plate by turning the plate locking screw no more than 3 full turns to loosen. Slide the plate out and press the quick release button. Align the plate on the bottom of your camera. Usually the plate will have a lens direction indicator underneath. Point this towards the front of the camera. Dependent on the size of your camera, it may have either a 1/4 inch screw thread or the 3/8 inch screw thread. If it has both, then use both for extra security. Align the plate back into the plate mount and slide back into place. Some heads have an angled plate mount, so try remounting at an angle. You may hear or feel a click. This is a safety lock and will stop accidental slips. Tighten the plate lock until firmly locked. Underneath the head, in between the legs, you will find a small handlebar or wheel to loosen the bowl canter. Using the small spirit level found on the head, usually at the rear, can help you find an equal horizon line. Off-canter shots can often be fixed in post, however, doing it right on location cuts down on post-production time. You can now unlock the pan and tilt locks and set up your shot. Some general tips. Once you're set up and ready to shoot, put all your bags and gear underneath the tripod. This will keep it out of the way and could save on any public liability claims or loss or theft of gear. Of course, a good idea when going on any shoot is to take a small toolkit containing at least gaffer tape, WD-40, flathead screwdrivers, Allen keys, a precision screwdriver set, a clean microfiber cloth. Before shooting, wipe your lens with a microfiber cloth. This will reduce you having any dust, small hairs, fingerprints or watermarks on your footage. Always consider your environment and the tools you need. In remote locations, would a different camera or support such as a gimbal work?